This is elevator 1, service elevator at Allegheny Health Network, Allegheny General Suburban campus in Bellevue, Pennsylvania. This is an original late 60s, early 70s Westinghouse with white Type A fixtures. Has a side panel and a main panel right there. Has the added Epcot fire service, just like a lot of stuff here. Up to 7 teardrop. This one does not serve the first floor. Fire's burned out. Here at 7. Back down to 2. Has the Westinghouse belt door operator, also known as the rubber band door operator. There's probably a non-ADA phone behind here. Oh, medical alert, it is a non-ADA phone. I thought that phone was going to dial. It's a basic figure ring cab. I'm not sure if this is the original cab. There's Adam right there. You're back at 2.
It looks like
Might be. It's kind of hot out here. Under surveillance, he'll be responsible for damage to the doors. Closes, and that's going to be it. The stooching is very damaged.